What's the meaning of Cassandra? Cassandra. Cassandra.
Cassandra. Cassandra. Cassandra is a name that has multiple meanings. It can refer to a character from Greek mythology, who was cursed with the gift of prophecy but not to be believed. It can also be a given name for girls and can represent someone with a fierce and determined personality. In addition, it is the name of an open-source distributed database system, which is designed to handle large amounts of data spread out across many servers, providing high availability with no single point of failure.